I'm here in Barcelona at the Mobile World Congress, and I'm literally at the crossroads of the Internet of Things. All these companies you see around you, Intel, Qualcomm, Cisco, they all perform the backbone of the structure. For most of us as consumers, to us the Internet of Things is Alexa, it's Google Home, it's this array of sensors and actuators that we use to collect this massive swarm of intelligence. But the consumer Internet of Things is dwarfed by the industrial Internet of Things. And that's why I'm pretty much here, this particular event, because that's the technology that I've been focusing on. At the Google briefing yesterday, even the IBM briefing, there was a common theme. This Internet of Things is creating a massive artificial intelligence, learning about the world in every single facet. But I'll leave that for another day, because that really requires a pretty deep conversation. Today I want to focus on just one particular aspect, and that's called tracking/location. And I'm talking about something very, very specific, and that's called indoor positioning, because indoor positioning is incredibly crucial for the Internet of Things at the industrial level. The world leader in this particular technology is a Finnish company called Quuppa, which I first learned about several years ago attending the SLUS conference in Helsinki. And without further ado, let me introduce you to the creative director who will talk to you about the technology and the company. So before we came on camera, we talked about your company detail. And to make it easier, because as I indicated to you, our viewership is kind of a range of novice to expert. And your company is in this area of location, which is kind of very cool. Give me in a nutshell for the layman what your company does.
So in a nutshell, we do indoor locationing, which is basically, you all know, you all have been using Google Maps, so outdoor navigation. Well, the GPS is helping you to find the way. But indoors, you all also know that indoors it doesn't work because the satellites can't see you, so your position starts hopping. First you're inside the building, then you're in the next building, and so forth. So we provide very accurate indoor positioning, so you can navigate, for example, indoors.
And this whole thing, this whole concept of indoor positioning, which is, I would say, fairly new, what brought it to a point that it became so important?
Well, it's basically through the IoT thing. Things are getting connected, so you have to know where the things are. That's the first thing. It's a definition of a thing. It has a position. It's somewhere. But then obviously you need to know where it is. And then there are multiple use cases, of course, where you can use that information.
And your company is seeking to solve what kinds of issues or what kinds of problems in this whole location ecosystem?
Well, we are bringing actually the dot on the map, if you will. So like very accurate dot on the map. And then we have a huge network of partners who are building the end solutions for different kinds of applications. For example, for industry, like factories, you need to know where the workers are so they don't get hit by forklifts. Or then on the other hand, for example, the hospitals, you need to know where all the equipments that are moving there.
So your customers are really in the industrial level as opposed to the consumer?
Our customers can be all over the place, basically. We have also customers who are tracking sports, for example, hockey players and the puck. Our system is so accurate and fast that you can actually track a hockey puck in real time and know where it goes. In the accuracy, basically 20 centimeters or 10 centimeters.
You also gave me quite a bit of information before, so I'm going to have to provide me a link to your website, as also we can give the viewers some more information, all right? I know you're swamped. I want to thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, thank you.